Namaste, dear soul. Today's topic is near and dear to my heart. I've gained so much value with regenerative agriculture experiences, and it is my hope to spread awareness about something I believe is one of Mother Nature's most wonderful gifts for us. Regenerative agriculture is a farming and ranching approach that focuses on restoring and enhancing soil health, biodiversity, and ecosystem resilience. Its principles include minimizing disturbance to the soil, maximizing diversity of plant and animal species, and integrating livestock and crops in a symbiotic relationship. Regenerative agriculture is important because it has the potential to improve environmental sustainability, increase food security, and mitigate climate change. By rebuilding healthy soil, regenerative agriculture can enhance crop productivity, water retention, and carbon sequestration, all of which are crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems. Here are some tips for practicing regenerative agriculture. First, build healthy soils. Use cover crops, crop rotation, and compost to improve soil health and fertility. Second, minimize tillage. Reduce tillage practices to preserve soil structure and minimize soil disturbance. Third, diversify crops and livestock. Plant a variety of crops and incorporate livestock grazing to enhance ecosystem diversity and resilience. Fourth, practice agroforestry. Integrate trees and shrubs into your farming system to provide shade, shelter, and biodiversity. Fifth, use natural inputs. Avoid synthetic chemicals and pesticides, and instead use organic fertilizers and biological controls to maintain soil health. Sixth, manage water wisely. Implement water conservation techniques such as rainwater harvesting and irrigation efficiency to protect water resources and maintain soil moisture. Seventh, layer with bark mulch, hemp hay, or hemp straw to maintain moisture, temperature, to protect surface soil, and to reduce weed growth. And finally, monitor and adapt. Regularly assess the health of your soil, crops, and animals, and adjust your management practices accordingly to optimize sustainability and productivity. By following these tips and principles of regenerative agriculture, farmers and ranchers can contribute to the restoration of healthy ecosystems and create more resilient and sustainable food systems for future generations. Regenerative agriculture is a win-win for everyone. I hope this video spreads awareness and inspires others to learn more about one of nature's most precious gifts. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. Please hit that like and subscribe button and share the video to keep the good energy flowing through the universe. Until next time, peace, one love. Always remember, the power is within you.